In this video we will try to superheat mineral water using microwave oven. This is the small glass that will contain mineral water to be superheated in microwave oven. For safety reason, let's start with small amount of water. Let's put the glass into the microwave. To minimize risk, let's start with medium-low power for just 3 minutes. After running just around 10 seconds, the water starts to boil. But then it suddenly stops. It turns out that the power to magnetron is just periodically stopped in low power settings. When the magnetron is reactivated, the water boils again. After the heating is finished, there's just a small amount of water left in the glass, and the glass gets quite hot. Let's test the water with a metal spoon. Nothing interesting seems to happen. Let's repeat the experiment using more water in the glass. This time, we use medium power setting for 2 minutes. After running just around 15 seconds, the water starts to boil. But then it suddenly stops. After some time, the water starts boiling again. The cycle continues to the end of the cooking time. Just like before, there's only a small amount of water left in the glass, and the glass gets quite hot. In this experiment, it seems like the mineral water cannot be superheated using microwave oven. In our next experiments, we will try to figure out what causes this failure.